Finding ebooks from the NLU University Library. Library OneSearch enables you to find articles, books, ebooks, and videos with OneSearch. This video will demonstrate how to use Library OneSearch to find ebooks on your topic. Before you begin searching, you will need to sign in to Library OneSearch. This will ensure that you see everything that you have access to as an NLU user. Click the Sign In link in the upper right corner and select NLU students, staff, and faculty. Use your NLU portal username and password to sign into Library OneSearch. I am going to search for team building in business. When you begin your search on the Library OneSearch homepage, you will have the option to search everything at NLU, search just the library catalog, search just for articles, search all iShare libraries, and search the EBSCO databases. The default search is to search everything at NLU. Because I want to search for ebooks available from the NLU library, I'm going to select Library Catalog. When you search the library catalog, you will see search results that include ebooks, videos, and physical items available from the NLU University Library. Use options in the Tweak Your Results column on the left side of the page to limit your search results to find only ebooks. Select Available Online to limit the search results to items available electronically. Scroll down the Tweak Your Results column and expand the options under Resource Type and select Books. Your search results will now display only ebooks available from the NLU University Library. Click on the title to get more information and to access the ebook. This is the detailed record for the book, The Business of Excellence: Building High-Performance Teams and Organizations. The View Online section has the link where you can access this ebook online in one of the university library's ebook databases. Click the link in the full text availability box to access the ebook. The ebook will open in a new tab. To return to your search in Library OneSearch, just click the tab on your browser that is displaying the title of the item you were last looking at. Click the X to the left of the detailed record for the item to close the detailed record and return to your search results. If you have questions about finding and using ebooks available from the university library, contact the NLU University Library at library@nl.edu.